In today's video, I'm going to teach you, have you tried these? The 9 ChatGPT hacks that will help you become a pro. Now, whether you're new to ChatGPT or you've been using it for a while, these hacks will help you unlock its full potential. First, let's start by heading over to ChatGPT. You want to make sure you're logged in and ready to customize your experience. Once in, begin by clicking on Customize ChatGPT, which will allow us to tailor the interface to our liking. You'll see an option labeled, What should ChatGPT call you? This is where you can set a preferred name for a more personalized interaction. Next, consider what traits you'd like ChatGPT to have. By defining these, you help shape your exchanges for optimal communication. And remember, once you're satisfied with these customizations, don't forget to click Save to ensure your preferences are stored for future use. Moving on to our next set of hacks, let's dive into managing your chat history. You'll want to click on Settings and locate Data Controls. One of the most efficient ways to manage past conversations is by using the search feature. Press Ctrl or CMD plus K on your keyboard, or click the magnifying glass in the left menu. This allows you to type in keywords and quickly retrieve previous chats. If you ever need to clear your history, options like Delete all chats and Archive all chats are available for you here. Plus, accessing archive chats or shared links is straightforward and helps keep your data neat and organized. For the third hack, maximize the value of ChatGPT by requesting step-by-step plans. Simply add step-by-step to your prompts for clear, numbered instructions. If you're dealing with a lengthy text, consider hack number 4. Use ChatGPT to summarize it. Paste your text or use a link, then ask for a summary in 5 bullet points. This feature is excellent for quickly understanding large volumes of information. Next, we have hack number 5. Turn ChatGPT into a role. By starting your prompts with Act as a teacher or any other role you need, the responses you receive will be more relevant to your context. Hack 6 involves refining your initial queries using follow-up questions. Instead of starting a new conversation, say things like, make it shorter, or add more detail to tweak the result. Now, for saving your interactions, Hack 7 allows you to export your data. Navigate to your profile icon, head to Settings, and find Data Controls. Click Export Data to download everything, ensuring you have a backup of your chat history. The final couple of hacks involve integrations and privacy. Hack 8 connects ChatGPT to other tools using platforms like Zapier, Make.com, or N8N, which allows you to automate tasks utilizing ChatGPT outputs. Hack 9 is all about privacy. Head back to Settings, access Data Controls, and toggle off Chat History and Training to keep your chats private. And there you have it. These hacks should significantly enhance your ChatGPT experience, making you a pro user in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.